Hey guys, how's it going? So today I have this very shiny Baldwin lock. Now I don't have a key for it. It is one of the locks that arrived in the newest batch, so I can't show you the bidding. I don't even know how many pins it has. Oh, hold on, actually, if you can just see that at the top, you can see it has 5. Oh well, there's a way of cheating. So we know it's a 5 pinner. Lovely wide open keyway. Make sure it's not going to go anywhere. So hopefully let's get this picked and cutted for you. Let's see if we can get this at an angle that you can see. Straight off the bat we pin 1. High set. There we go. Wow. Pin 2. Just going to check pin 1 as well again. Yeah, pin 1's fine. Pin 2's fine. Pin 3's springy. 4's springy. 5's gritty, but I don't think we've got anything. So we'll go back to pin 1. Pin 2, hadn't quite got them fully set. They're really high set pins. See that I've just overset them. Only one way of finding out. Back on pin 1. Tell you what, let's get the tension around set a little bit better. That's pin 3. Oh, went back. I can't get under pin 5. There we go, under pin 5. Click and a slight rotation, but I don't think it's. Maybe it is set. Four. They're all really high set pins, like ridiculously high set. Now I'm just going to make sure my tension wrench isn't snagging anything. Pin 3, there we are. Lovely. Right. Now I have had a look at the back of this lock. I have to be very careful as there's nothing holding it in place. Now I only have 3 followers with this kit. One with a very flat end. Obviously this has got 2 raised portions on it, so that's not going to really work, is it? And I have this tubular one, which doesn't fit over the ends. So I'm going to have to come up with something a little bit more interesting. What I'm going to do is put that just, not so it's locked, but just so that portion there is directly in line with the pins, just like that. Obviously if we had that bit to the top it would lock and we'd be screwed, and if we had it the bottom end up, the pins risk falling in from the bottom and then you're very screwed. So what I plan on doing is, not using that one, I'll try and use this one, is I'm going to try and follow it in, but running those pins along the top, so wish me luck. I got there. Unbelievable, because you can see that follower is just a bit too small for it. However, all we want is to take the pins out. We're not interested in anything else, are we? No. Right. Let's get this up here, zoomed in a little bit. So we'll start pin 1, standard, pin 2, standard, pin 3, standard, pin 4, very short standard, and pin 5, a long standard, and nothing. God, this really doesn't look very used. That's probably why it's so shiny. Probably why I chose this to be one of the first ones to pick out of the new lot I got. Let's start by holding it the right way up, Mark. Let's get that there. It's just a standard. And the second one is just a standard. I've got a sneaking suspicion these are all probably standards. There's a spring for that one. Very strong spring tension. Whereas pin straight row 1 is just sitting above the shear line. And it's and it's actually a bit bent and a bit twisted. I haven't had this lock open before, so I don't know why it's like that. It's another standard. Yet another spring that's just sitting just above the shear line. But that spring's fine. I'll show you these springs afterwards. Pin 4, another standard, and another spring just sitting above the shear line, and vinyl pin. Springs for coming out there, and spring 5 is another one that's leaping out at me, and we'll just get spring 4 out as well. And come on camera, focus for me. Nothing on the inside of there. So let's get these, have a look at these here. Get my camera, behave for me. Here we are. I don't know why this spring is. Oh, my camera's decided to put its light on for some strange reason. Go away. Yeah, so I'm not too sure why this spring has ended up like that. It certainly didn't sound like it was snagging on the way out. Yeah, all driver pins are all standard. Really quite shiny actually. This must be a really new lot. But yeah, shame we don't have any key. It was a fairly easy lock, as you can tell, because it's all standard pins, but it was a very nice Baldwin, all things considered. So yeah, there's the start of the new locks. I'll hopefully get some more out to you very shortly. Any comments guys, drop them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks very much for watching, see you next time. Yeah.